Hey, stay sexy. No matter what nobody say to you, stay sexy. When it comes to the possibility of like old age, somebody think you might be past your prime, or that they don't see any value in you anymore as an elderly person or somebody over the hill. Don't let that discourage you. Stay sexy. Staying sexy helps you live longer. It really doesn't matter what other people think. It seems like their opinion matters in the social media world. Relatives or people that think they're close to you, but it don't matter. So if you're elderly, if you're in a wheelchair, if you're in a hospital on a dialysis machine, your hair is falling out, or you're dealing with some type of sickness or whatever, don't worry about it. Just stay sexy. So depression sets in sometimes on people. And I'm saying stay sexy. When depression seems like it want to seep into your life because you're struggling with school, you're struggling with employment, you're struggling with your family, you're struggling with relationship concepts, only thing I'm going to say is stay sexy. Don't let any of that stuff deter you. Depression, anxiety, needing to take pills because you can't sleep at night. Stop letting that stuff bother you. Just stay sexy. And the last thing is this: I believe in my own heart that God wants it that way. I think God wants you to stay sexy. I don't think God wants you to ever feel like you're less than, or because a man or a woman is telling you somebody else is better than you, or that they would prefer to be with somebody else, so they left you, whether you have kids behind with you or whatever, or they just chose to be with another person. That's on them. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm believing with my hands closed together in prayer that God is also saying stay sexy. Don't worry about what these people are saying or what they're trying to do to you. So regardless, listen, whether it's old age, whether it's depression, or if it's God, stay sexy. I love y'all.